Okay guys, so we're gonna do a POV night drive for the CX-5. Yeah, guys. I hope the camera's, angled properly, because it's in my hat. Kinabit ko lang. Yan. Lift it up a little. There you go. That's better. Okay. So our route for tonight is BGC to Alabang. We'll take Skyway. So now it's perfect time guys because it's late. So gusto ko mag-drive ng ganitong oras para walang traffic. Okay, let's go. Seatbelt muna tayo. Yan guys, yung Apple CarPlay. That's nice to have Apple CarPlay. Thanks Mixstore. And yun ya, if you could see also, the iStop automatic na yan pag start ng car, which is great. Tara, let's get out of the parking. Okay guys, we're entering Skyway. Going to Alabang exit tayo, then balik tayo ulit. So, what can I say about the CX-5? Well, of course, it's pre-owned. This is not a brand new car. But to be honest, like I said, when I do buy pre-owned, I really want to get the best condition one at that price. So, with this one being a older model, but well taken care of model. Plus of course I did the heavy PMS already. I did the add-ons already. So what did that guy do guys sa Skyway? Oh, biglang tumigil. Going up, delikado yan. Anyway, so yun, what can I say? Very smooth. I was lucky enough, like I said, that in terms of the suspension, excuse me, engine, everything else, everything works fine, which is fantastic. Tapos, what else? Yeah, there's no delays. Like I said, of course I had it pre-checked. Everything's running very good. Something like the Camry when I bought the Camry. Even though that car was also pre-owned, sobrang alaga, first owner rin. So I'm happy with it. People are gonna ask about mileage. I would assume this will be a little bit thirstier than the Camry just because meron siyang all-wheel drive system. Though, by default, two-wheel drive siya. Pero when you need it, the weight is still there because of the all-wheel drive. I think compared to the first generation, the second generation really improved in terms of ride and NVH. But I think the facelift even better. Their NVH is even better. The ride's even better. So, yun yung mga improvements, of course. But in terms of how it looks, personally, I prefer the headlights and taillights of this compared to the facelift one. I like the sharper LED. Mas thin siya. Compared to the newer one, medyo makapal yung LED lights siya. Front and back. So I prefer this one. This gives a kind of Audi-like feel in terms of how the LEDs are, which I like. I'm happy with the Apple CarPlay. Sobrang it's sulit, guys. By the way, you could get this in Lazada, I checked, for like 4,000 plus. But kasama tools, but you have to do it yourself. This one costs 10,000, so double. Because of course you're paying for the you know, the shop that brought it in, di ba? And yun yan, magkakabit and stuff. Pero kung marunong kayo sa kotse, guys, when it comes to electrical, then you save half the price. Parehong-pareho, guys, eh. I think that's where they get it also. But anyway, the auto fold function is good, and the iStop I love. I don't have to keep on pressing. So we're just in Skyway. Yun, so 11 PM na, and marami pa rin kotse. So galing sa celebration. Yan, so we're just driving at 60 kilometers. I'm just, yan, yung blind spot on both sides. So, and I love the heads-up display. It's very clear. It seems to be clearer than the Camry. Kasi Camry, tinodo ko na rin yung brightness. Ito, hindi pa. Pero mas malinaw siya, which I like. And maganda sa Mixstore, guys. They have a lot of stuff for Mazda and Honda cars and Tesla. So if you have a Mazda or a Honda Civic CR-V, Mazda 3, lahat ng Mazda, they have a lot of stuff. They have wireless charging, but I don't like wireless charging because I have it in some of my cars, and it's mabagal compared to if you just plug it. So yun. But everything else is good. The tires, thank God I don't have to replace them, kasi alam mo na, diba, in my last vlog, if you check the Toyo Proxess, I think, yeah, the tires there, 225 55 R19s, napakamahal eh. Well, of course, SUV, crossover, mas malaking gulong, you know, almost 10,000 pesos, wala pa kabit yan and all that. So, diba, I got to save there. 2024 pagulong nito, so thank God. I'll change this tires matagal-tagal pa. Ano lang, diba, I did, like in the last vlog, go to Monworks, guys. Napakagaling nila. I can't stress that enough. They're so professional. Mon, the owner, talagang galing. Basta galing nila. The mechanics there, the team there, they're so used to Mazda cars that they're so fast. But efficient, and they do it properly. They make sure that everything runs well, which is great. So if you have a Mazda, go to Monworks. It's in Taguig. Just check their FB page, guys. So alabang muna tayo, then let's continue the POV there. Okay, guys, we're here. Alabang exit, sport nga natin. Yan, ayun, no? Pag click mo ng sport, biglang nagtaas yung RPM. Yan, let's drive it a little bit fast before the exit. Yeah, it's really responsive, which is great. Yeah, hataw natin ng konti, ha? You know what's also nice, guys, with Mazda? They recommend 91 octane. Nice, oh. Yeah. Nice. Smooth. In sport mode, it really holds the revs, huh, guys? yung sport mode Very smooth, very stable at this speed. I like it. That's the nice thing with Mazda, guys. Very stable, good handling. You feel confident driving it. Some cars are not like that, to be honest with you. Especially crossovers or SUVs, PPVs. Pero with this, parang you're driving a hatchback. Diba? So, ganda. Good handling. Yan, dito na tayo sa exit ng ano na to, Philinvest. Well, actually, Alabang. Philinvest and Alabang. There you go. So this is where I used to live. I remember I always thought Makati, BGC was far, which is kung walang traffic, hindi naman malayo, pero yeah. Now that I live there, malayo na ang Alabang sa akin. But maganda pa rin Alabang, guys, kasi it has that chill vibes. You know, compared to Makati or BGC, a little bit more busy. So yun. Grabe yung sport mode nito, really holds the revs. Okay, yeah, let's go back to normal. Or else mabusgas natin. So, highway, perfect. City, perfect. Crossover, it's not too big. And I think it's still one of the better looking crossovers until today, guys. Even though this design is quite old already. You know, compared to the new CR-V, the new RAV4 is coming out already. That kind of looks like the new Camry in the front. Tapos, ano pa ba? The Tucson, di ba? The new Kia Sportage, wala pa tayo niyan. Pero all the Chinese crossovers na sobrang modern. But this one is, you know, it's sporty. It also looks elegant. It's not too much, you know. The lines are just right in the body lines. You know what I mean? And it's not full of tech. Like, there's not a big screen. Pardon my language, diba? There's not a big screen. There's still physical buttons. I still like that there's physical gauges and there's a digital, diba? It's nice. It's nice that meron na ganito pa rin, that they're still selling. I'm sure there's some people still buy the new CX-5 compared to the other newer models. Just because of diba, ang ganda ng reputation ng Mazda, especially in other countries, guys, in terms of reliability, diba? And of course, yung 5-year Eugene pa. And it's a good product. Mazda has come a long way. Ever since they separated from Ford, they've done a really good job with all their cars. With actually, yung CX-60, CX-90, nag-improve na daw yung transmission. Nung una, medyo rough start kasi all new engine, all new transmission, something a little bit different. But you know, like any other new product. But the nice thing with them, diba, they don't. How many inline 6 are there now, diba, besides BMW? So Mazda, at least, diba, they give you that with the mild hybrid system. I'm looking forward to the CX-50 if ever it does come out, yung Mazda CX-50, kasi nga that would have the Toyota hybrid system. So you'll have the Mazda, you know, sportiness, good handling and all that style with the Toyota hybrid. You can't beat it. You get the best of both worlds. So okay yun. So CX-50, I hope Mazda Philippines brings that soon. That would be a nice upgrade for this car when that comes out, diba? CX-50. In CX-60, I don't know, a lot of people saying the ride might be, it's kind of stiff. Also the 90 compared to the older models, the CX-9, CX-8. But let me know, guys, whoever owns CX-60 out there or CX-90, how's the ride? Did you compare to the older models, how it rides? This one rides fantastic, guys. Yan. And nasa ATC na tayo. Grabe, haven't been here in a while. But before, every day, I'm always here. Yan, Molito. Or just go around, then go back to BGC. Skyway ulit tayo. Yan. So anyway, this is the POV. enjoyed the rest of the POV of this Mazda CX-5. I'm driving it now after all the stuff that I did and all the preventive maintenance. Now, in my next coming vlogs, we're gonna go to Baguio with this car, diba? And test it out. So, God bless, guys. Good night or good morning, wherever you are, and always take care.